Steve McCurry's photograph, The Afghan Girl, taken in 1984, features a striking portrait of Sharbat Gula, a young Afghan refugee living in the Nasir Bagh refugee camp in Pakistan during the Soviet-Afghan War. With her piercing green eyes and haunting expression framed by a vibrant red headscarf, Gula's image became emblematic of the suffering and resilience of Afghan refugees, capturing the attention of the world when it was published on the cover of National Geographic in June 1985. McCurry, who was commissioned to document the refugee crisis, encountered Gula in a makeshift school where her intense gaze immediately drew him in, leading to a photograph that would resonate deeply with viewers and become one of the most recognized images in history. The photograph not only highlighted the plight of Afghan refugees, but also sparked a broader conversation about the human impact of war and displacement. In 2002, McCurry embarked on a journey to locate Gula, successfully finding her and confirming her identity through iris recognition, which underscored the lasting connection between the photograph and its subject. Gula's story, intertwined with the history of Afghanistan, continues to evoke empathy and awareness of the challenges faced by refugees worldwide, making the Afghan girl a powerful symbol of hope and resilience amidst adversity.